Hey, let me ask you a question. Did you ever think it'd be possible to earn $100,000 a year plus carpet cleaning by only working 4 hours a day? I didn't. See, my first job as a teenager was carpet cleaning, and I didn't think there wasn't really any money in it. And as a technician, there wasn't much. But if I would have knew how little of a startup cost it would be to get my business going as a carpet cleaner, and if I would have knew the potential income, and if I would have knew that other people are out there doing the exact same thing, and maybe just keeping it hush hush, that I would have took that first step. So what I offer is a course that teach you step by step how to build your business, how to get yourself found, how to build your foundation. That way your business is built to succeed over the long run and not fail in the first 2 years like most small businesses. On top of that, I teach you the technical side of carpet cleaning, product, equipment, recommendations for not only effective solutions, but solutions that aren't going to damage your customer's carpet. Stuff I use on a day-to-day. So if you're thinking on making a change, getting out of that 9-to-5 grind, working for somebody else, making them rich, I really suggest you take a little time, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Green Rhino Carpet Cleaning, where it's literally a ride-along every day. And I got over 400 videos, and you can check out what I do on a day-to-day. And thank God I did. I started late in life, and don't let that be you. So if you've been thinking about starting your own business, I'm telling you, carpet cleaning. Who would have known?